Hello everyone, in this video I am talking to you about how to make money with maize farming in Nigeria. Maize farming is one of the most profitable agricultural ventures in Nigeria due to high demand for food, animal feed and industrial uses. With the right approach, selecting the best varieties, following good agronomic practices and understanding the market, you can earn substantial income from maize cultivation. Now, here are the best maize varieties for farmers that they can use. Selecting the right maize variety is crucial for maximizing yield and profit. Here are some of the top performing maize varieties in Nigeria. You have Sam Max series. So these Sam Max series are very good and you can go in and look for them and get it. Then we have Sam Max 56, 57, 58 and they are known to be disease resistant and they produce high grain. Then we have Pioneer hybrid maize. You can get all these from IIT Ibadan and any other big agricultural store around you. Then we have SC419. This is seed co-hybrid. You can take advantage of that too. Then we have the Amana 2, Zuma 500, Zuma 450. All these are different maize varieties and that you can use on your farm. When choosing the varieties you want to have or the strain of the maize, consider your location, the rainfall pattern, and whether you need drought or disease resistance. Now here is a step-by-step guide planting to harvesting maize in Nigeria. Number one is land preparation. Select a well-drained fertile field, clear weeds, rocks, and debris. Then plow and harrow to create a fine seed bed. Then conduct a soil test and apply recommended fertilizers or organic manure. Then seed selection and treatment. Use certified disease-resistant seeds suitable for your region. Then treat seeds with fungicides to prevent seed-borne diseases. Number three thing you need to do here is the planting. Then the timing. Plant at the onset of the rainy season for best results. Then the spacing usually is about 30 centimeter or thereabout. For sow cropping, 75 by 50 centimeter, 2 seeds per stand, about 53,000 plants per hectare. For intercropping, you have to use 90 by 45 centimeter, and that is going to give you 2 seeds per stand. And the depth can be plant seeds 3 to 5 centimeter deep. Then seed rate 15 to 20 kilogram per hectare. Now let's talk about the crop management for maize. Weeding 2 to 3 times before the crop canopies. Then fertilization. Apply NPK fertilizer at planting and top dress with urea at 3 to 4 weeks after planting. Then pest and disease control. Monitor regularly and use recommended pesticides if necessary. Then watering. Ensure adequate moisture, especially during flowering and grain filling. Then number 5 is harvesting. For fresh maize, harvest 50 to 70 days after planting, when silks turn brown. Then for dry grain, what to do for dry grain at the time of harvesting, you harvest 80 to 110 days after planting, usually approximately 90 days, when crops are dry and the hulls turn brown. Use hand picking or mechanical harvesters. Dry maize properly to avoid mold and post-harvest losses. Now, the next thing you need to look at is market prices and buyers for maize in Nigeria. The current market prices for July 2025, wholesale price is 439 to 450, 440 per kg. This can vary depending on the location you are in Nigeria. Now, prices can fluctuate based on season, location, and quality. So you have to monitor your local market and price in different markets and different places to know the best price for you. So monitor local market trends for the best selling opportunities. Who buys maize in Nigeria? You may be wondering, why should I go into maize farming? Who are the people that are buying maize? Major agro processors: Premier Flour Mills, Crown Olam, Grand Cereals, Animal Care, Amobin, Hybrid Feeds, Obasanjo Farms, Zartec, Wakot, Said Farms, Panda, Gri Novum, Premium Farms, just to mention a few. Feed mills and breweries. Maize is a key ingredient in animal feed and brewing. Then exporters and importers. Nigeria both imports and exports maize. There are about 48 major maize buyers, importers, including Tinkan, Onshore Construction, FZE, Buckwheezer Limited, and others. Then the local market are also there. Sell directly to wholesalers, retailers, and final consumers in city markets. Then online platforms, B2B sites like Freshidi and Volza connect sellers to buyers nationwide and internationally. Now, here are tips for maximizing profits in maize farming. Number one is that you need to choose high yield, disease-resistant varieties. Number two, invest in soil fertility and good agronomic practices. Number three, harvest and store maize properly to avoid post-harvest losses. Number four is that you have to explore contract farming or supply agreements with processors and feed mills. These are all going to help you in your farming. Then you have to monitor markets, prices, and sell when prices peak. In fact, some people buy maize when it is fresh from the source. They buy it and keep it. Then when it has gone up in price, they bring it out and they sell it. Just after 1 month or 2 months, the price will change because the amount in circulation have reduced. So they bring it out and then they sell. In summary, you need to go into maize farming if you are serious about making money from maize during this planting season. So by following these guidelines and keeping up with the market trends, you can make maize farming a reliable and profitable business in Nigeria. This is Dr. Olumukade's YouTube channel. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Please go ahead and like this video. Please go ahead and share the link of this video with your family and friends. Please ask me any question you have about maize farming or any other business in the comment section below, and I'll be there within 24 hours to respond to you. Also, if you have comments and questions or ways that you think maize farming can be done better that I've not mentioned, let us know in the comment section below. Also, where are you watching from? Let me know in the comment section below. What do you do with maize? Do you raise maize? Do you plant maize, or you eat maize? And then how do you eat it in bulk? Do you use it for ogi, for akamu? Do you use it for any other thing? Let me know in the comment section below what you use maize for. Until I come your way in the next one, I make a boast to say that if you keep coming on my channel for 6 months, your life will change for good. And this is one of those videos that are going to change your life if you take action. Action takers are favored by the goddess of good luck. Please now go ahead and watch my next video, which is popping up by the side here. Until I come away in the next one, bye bye.